I've already told Tom he can't do that. I've already told Tom he can't do that. I was hoping that Tom wouldn't do that. I was hoping that Tom wouldn't do that. I was surprised Tom refused to do that. I was surprised Tom refused to do that. It wasn't necessary for Tom to do that. It wasn't necessary for Tom to do that. If Tom promised he'll do that, he will. If Tom promised he'll do that, he will. Tom knows we can't do that, doesn't he? Tom knows we can't do that, doesn't he? Are you positive that Tom will do that? Are you positive that Tom will do that? You seem convinced that Tom can do that. You seem convinced that Tom can do that. I'm probably not going to do that today. I'm probably not going to do that today. I'm probably not going to do that again. I'm probably not going to do that again. I'm probably going to do that next week. I'm probably going to do that next week. I'm probably going to do that by myself. I'm probably going to do that by myself. I'm not sure that anybody would do that. I'm not sure that anybody would do that. I'm likely never going to do that again. I'm likely never going to do that again. I'm likely going to do that later today. I'm likely going to do that later today. I didn't charge Tom anything to do that. I didn't charge Tom anything to do that. I'm not convinced Tom wanted to do that. I'm not convinced Tom wanted to do that. I've advised Tom not to do that anymore. I've advised Tom not to do that anymore. I didn't know that Tom wouldn't do that. I didn't know that Tom wouldn't do that. Tom has already been advised to do that. Tom has already been advised to do that. Do you really believe Tom would do that? Do you really believe Tom would do that? Do you seriously think Tom will do that? Do you seriously think Tom will do that? I really thought that Tom would do that. I really thought that Tom would do that. I didn't give Tom permission to do that. I didn't give Tom permission to do that. Are you sure that Tom shouldn't do that? Are you sure that Tom shouldn't do that? Are you convinced that Tom will do that? Are you convinced that Tom will do that? I'll be surprised if Tom doesn't do that. I'll be surprised if Tom doesn't do that. I suspect that Tom doesn't often do that. I suspect that Tom doesn't often do that. I suspect that Tom will probably do that. I suspect that Tom will probably do that. We never would have allowed Tom to do that. We never would have allowed Tom to do that. Are you absolutely sure Tom will do that? Are you absolutely sure Tom will do that? I suspect that Tom probably won't do that. I suspect that Tom probably won't do that. I didn't need Tom's permission to do that. I didn't need Tom's permission to do that. Tom and I probably won't do that together. Tom and I probably won't do that together. Tom knew that Mary would probably do that. Tom knew that Mary would probably do that. I suspect that Tom will eventually do that. I suspect that Tom will eventually do that. Tom and I probably should do that together. Tom and I probably should do that together. I really thought that Tom wouldn't do that. I really thought that Tom wouldn't do that. There's a possibility that Tom will do that. There's a possibility that Tom will do that. There's a possibility that Tom won't do that. There's a possibility that Tom won't do that. Do Tom and I have to do that too? Do Tom and I have to do that too? I wish I could get Tom to do that. I wish I could get Tom to do that. I asked if Tom had to do that too. I asked if Tom had to do that too. Tom has been told he has to do that. Tom has been told he has to do that. Tom was very sure he had to do that. Tom was very sure he had to do that. I asked Tom if he wanted to do that. I asked Tom if he wanted to do that. I asked Tom if he'd like to do that. I asked Tom if he'd like to do that. I've decided to let Tom do that for me. I've decided to let Tom do that for me. I told Tom I didn't need to do that. I told Tom I didn't need to do that. I tried to teach Tom how to do that. I tried to teach Tom how to do that.